back, or welcome if you're new here. It's the countdown to Christmas 2023. This is the Priceless Pearl Life with me, Katrina. In today's video, it's all about my mom's primary bedroom and bathroom. You know how I do a deep cleaning here and there, and then the makeover begins. Well, if you're new, let me make a suggestion. That is to join my growing YouTube family. All you have to do is click that subscription and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload of the Priceless Pearl Life. Okay, two short announcements. Announcement number one, I'm on the road to 2K. I cannot believe it, but I'm so excited. So while you're spending time with family and friends, why don't you shout out my channel and tell them you love it and they'll love it too. And all they have to do is subscribe because it's absolutely free. And then announcement number two. It's been rather difficult making these last few videos because I'm in the middle of a major home renovation. So you'll see that on next month. I won't tell you what it is. No, I won't. But you'll see it on next month. And you'll get a notification if you're subscribed. And you click the nosy. So, when you purchase things from the store, most of the times they tell you what it is and what it's used for. And this is a Tahari Homes table runner, but it's at my house, so I can do whatever I want to do with it. And today, it's becoming a bed scarf.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, families near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss, a green red delight with glimmering silver white. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day.
Please like and subscribe. And if one thing, just one moment of this video has inspired or motivated you, I'd love to hear about it down in the comment section below.
There's joy in the air, families near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss, a green red delight.
I'll see you real soon as we continue the countdown to Christmas 2023.
From big to small, warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. Take me away, Christmas Day.
Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.